But one thing I would mention first before I go any further is I have now, sorry about this weird cam, I have now replaced all the resistors in this. I also, because I changed the resistors, I went back in and checked the midpoint voltage in the quiescent current, and the quiescent current was about 25 to 30 milliamps, which is like way over the top. It should only be 4. After a lot of messing, I discovered that that was open circuit RV4 wire wound resistor with a thermistor attached. I've whipped one out of another board and now got my quiescent current down to 4 milliamps. So anyway, without further ado, I've now got two 15 ohm resistors, wire wounds in series. I've got them connected to my multimeter and again to the scope and the 1K frequency AF generator. So I think what Mark says is 1.2 watts into 30 ohms is 6 volts. So let's wind that up till we get to 6 volts. It's a bit fiddly. Okay, so it's basically doing that 20 millivolts for 6 volts. So that's, I suppose it's within range, but that's half. It's very sensitive, really oversensitive probably. And I've got this horrible square waveform again, which is kicking in if I turn the, so it's, yeah, it's actually not square waveform, but it's certainly flattening out. Clipping is what they call it, isn't it? I mean, if I put it up to 30 millivolts, that's giving me 6.7 volts. And look at that waveform, that's shocking. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Anyway, that's my findings for now.